I'm Stephanie Dang, and I'm going to be using the July 2024 hip kits along with the metal dies from this month to create this layout. So I started this layout with a white background, and then I scallop dyed a bunch of variety of colors from the kit, and then I also die cutted these little pom-pom trees. I got my photo ready, and I'm going to add a frame to it in white, and then I'm going to move that aside so that I can play around with my background. Okay, I'm not sure actually why I decided to move that, because I moved it right back onto my layout, and now I'm just going to play around with some embellishments. I'm just adding a few last bits and pieces and then finishing off my layout with some stitching. I hope my layout gave you some inspiration, and have a wonderful week, you guys.